The A6646 ARIS-2 project marks a pivotal achievement for our organization, Rass, in collaboration with contractor L&T. With the unwavering support and guidance of our general manager, who offered invaluable recommendations, we embarked on this ambitious endeavor with a shared vision of excellence. Teamwork was our cornerstone, as always. Our team operated seamlessly, exchanging ideas, experience, and innovation, which drove the efficiency and professionalism in delivering the firefighting systems, fire alarm systems, fire water network, HDPE, pump room, and FM 200 system for the A6646 ARIS-2 project. Our dedication did not go unnoticed. Earning a certificate from L&T for the highest quality performance is a testament to our team's hard work and the trust our clients have in us. Let's celebrate this milestone and look forward to many more. Team, you're the reason behind our success.
Mirza Firozullah. Engineer Silabas.